This is a standing desk converter. It's a height adjustable workstation. I have been using this for more than 2 weeks. In this video, I'm sharing everything about this standard desk converter, whether it's good or not and if there are any better alternatives available. First, the price of this one fluctuates, but it usually settles between 4,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. If you ask me whether the price is too much, I'd say yes. If it comes between 2,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees, then it's worth it. This is how the box looks. A single person can easily set this up without needing anyone's help. Inside the box, we get all the parts, but with my product, the Allen key was missing. One more thing, the product I received was a used one. I could see a lot of usage marks and hand stains on the top of wooden surface. First, let me highlight some of the features it comes with. Number one, you can convert the height from sitting to standing manually. Number two, you can even use it on the floor in a sitting position. Number three, a gas spring is provided that helps smoothly change the height. Number four, no power is required to use this. Number 5, a separate space is provided for placing the external keyboard and mouse. Number 6, on the right side, a lever is provided to adjust the height manually. Now, before sharing my personal experience, I want to talk about the height and width of the desk. You can see the image here clearly. It's 65 cm in length and 40 cm in breadth. The maximum height it can go is 50 cm. In my personal usage, I never faced any issues with the height while using it in either sitting or standing position. Inside the box, we get a piece of paper on how to assemble it, but it's in Chinese. Next, comparing the price to build quality, it doesn't satisfy me at all. As I shared earlier, if it's between 2,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees, it's okay. The maximum load it can support is 17 kilograms. I used a gaming laptop on top of it with a stand below that for heat dissipation. Since it's a gaming laptop, it generates a lot of heat. I also used an external keyboard and mouse all the time. The overall experience for me is mixed. I really liked using it in a standing position. It's good, it does the job. But if you want to rest your hands in a standing position, it's not possible. You cannot apply too much body pressure in the standing position or lean forward towards the table. It tends to crack, because the maximum capacity of this one is 17 kg only. In the sitting position, it was not a great experience for me. It usually makes some creepy noise while typing or using the mouse, which irritates me a lot. Also, the space for the keyboard and mouse is very minimal. You cannot freely move it. Next, the height adjustment. It's good with the lever. You need to press the lever to the top and give some pressure to move down, or pull it up to increase the height. After reaching a certain height as per your requirement, release the lever. It locks in that place. If you don't lock it, due to the gas spring mechanism, it pushes back suddenly. So be careful. And one more thing, it feels and looks like a table placed on top of another table. It feels like too much is going on the table without any space left to keep our things. I use the IKEA table. It is 100 by 60 centimeters and this converter occupies most of it. So if you want some space left on the table after placing this on top, make sure you are using a bigger one. Now talking about the good things, number 1, the height adjustments. You can turn your normal desk into a different height adjustment one. Number 2, no power is needed to use this. Number 3, you can use this at different heights. Number 4, it's good for those who wants a height adjustable table for their laptop or monitor under 5,000 rupees and who already have a desk. Number 5, the height adjustment functionality is so smooth, which I didn't expect, thanks to the hydraulic mechanism. Now, talking about the bad things, number 1, of course, the price. It's too much for the build quality we get. I have a normal bed table which cost around 600 rupees. That has very good and almost similar build quality. Number 2, you cannot load too many things on top of the table. You can use an external monitor or one laptop. That's it. Number 3, it occupies all the space on the table, especially if you are using a very small one. Number 4, it's 100% feels and looks like a small table on top of another table. So these are the good and bad things based on my personal experience with this standing desk converter. If you ask me, instead of paying 4,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees, we can add a bit more, like 100 to 150% of this price, and buy a proper height adjustable table. There are both manual and motorized ones. You can choose the one that fits your needs. I have added some of the best options in the description box along with the link to this one as well. If you're on a tight budget and must buy one under 5,000 rupees, go for this, but make sure to buy during a sales so you get good offers. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and let's see whether we can find some better height adjustable tables in the future. Subscribe and stay updated, and see you again in the next video.